Hello, my dear friend. Today, I want to talk to you about something very important. That is, how to speak English fluently. Many people want to speak good English. They try hard, but they don't know the right way. Don't worry, you are not alone. I will help you. I will show you easy ways. You can follow these steps. They are simple. They are useful. You don't need big books. You don't need to go to an English-speaking country. You just need practice. You need to follow a daily plan. And most importantly, you need to believe in yourself. Let's begin. Let's learn together. Step 1. Listen every day. The first step is listening. Listen to English every day. This is very important. Why? Because listening helps your brain. It helps your ears. You learn how English sounds. You learn how people talk. You learn the rhythm of English. You understand words better. Watch English videos. Watch with subtitles. Watch slow English videos first. Then watch normal ones. Listen to English songs. Try to catch the words. Listen to easy stories. Listen to real conversations. Do this every day. Here are some short sentences you can listen to. Hello, how are you? I am fine, thank you. What is your name? I like your smile. Let's go outside. These sentences are small, but they help a lot. Repeat them after listening. Repeat them again and again.
Step 2. Speak without fear. Many people feel shy. They are afraid to speak. They think, what if I make a mistake? But remember this, it is okay to make mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes. That's how we learn. Start speaking simple English. Speak about your day. Speak about your life. Say what you see. Say what you feel. Examples. I wake up at 6. I drink tea. I go to school. I like watching movies. My favorite color is blue. Say these aloud. Say them many times. Don't be silent. Don't just listen. Speak too. Practice in front of a mirror, or speak to yourself. This really helps. Step 3. Learn easy words. You don't need hard words. Start with common words, words we use every day. Learn these words first. Eat, go, do, make, like, love, play, read, write, big, small, happy, sad, fast, slow. Make sentences with them. I eat rice. I go to work. She is happy. He runs fast. We love music. Try to learn 5 new words daily. Write them down. Use them in your sentences. This way, you will remember them. Step 4. Practice with a friend. Find someone who also wants to learn English. Practice English together. Talk every day. Just 10 minutes is enough. Ask questions like, "What is your hobby? Do you like tea? What did you eat today? How was your day?" Answer in short and simple lines. Don't worry about grammar. Just talk. Just enjoy.
If you don't have a friend to talk to yourself. Look around and describe what you see. This is a chair. The sky is blue. The fan is on. It may feel funny, but it really works. Step 5. Read and write. Reading helps you see new words. Reading helps you understand sentence style. Start with simple stories. Children's books are good for beginners. Read aloud. Read slowly. Try to copy the voice in your head. Feel the words. Example: This is Tom. He is a boy. He likes to run. He has a ball. He plays every day. Now, writing also helps. Take a notebook. Write something every day. It can be a few lines. Write about your life. Write about what you did today. Write your dreams. Example: Today, I went to the market. I saw many people. I bought a mango. It was sweet. I came home at 5. Write in small sentences. Don't try big grammar. Just write and enjoy. Step 6. Use English for fun. Don't make English boring, make it fun. Watch English cartoons. Watch funny English videos. Listen to English songs and try to sing. Play games in English. Use English in your daily life. When you enjoy English, you learn faster. You speak better. You don't feel tired. Your brain feels happy. Step 7. Think in English. This is a secret trick. Try to think in English. Don't think in your native language. This may feel hard at first, but with practice, it becomes easy. Example: I will drink water. I watch TV. Say this in your mind all day. Step by step, it will become natural. Step 8. Repeat and copy. This step is called shadowing. Listen to an English sentence. Repeat it quickly. Try to match the voice. Match the tone and speed. Example: Video says, "How are you?" You say, "How are you?" Video says, "I'm going to the store." You say, "I'm going to the store." This helps your accent. This helps your fluency. This helps your confidence. Do this every day. Use short clips. Use slow speed videos first. Then try normal speed.
Practice sentences you can repeat. What are you doing? I am learning English. Can you help me? She is watching a movie. We are going to the market. It's a beautiful day today. Let's talk in English. Do you understand me? These are small and easy. Repeat each sentence 3 times. Try to say it like the speaker. Step 9. Be consistent and patient. This is the most important part. Fluency takes time. Fluency needs practice. You can't learn in one day, but you can improve every day. Just give 10 to 15 minutes daily. That's enough. Speak something. Listen to something. Write something. Read something. Think in English. Have fun. Repeat and improve. Make English your friend. Enjoy the journey. And one day, you will speak English smoothly. I believe in you. Thank you for listening.